Today we are going to be discussing how fractured hips often lead to the death of nursing home residents. My name is Barry Doyle. I'm a lawyer in Skokie practicing nursing home abuse and neglect work throughout the state of Illinois. I'm also the author of Built to Fail, a free report available for download from my website, which spells out how the nursing home business model inevitably produces unnecessary injuries and deaths for nursing home residents. Depending on the study that you look at, somewhere between 15 and 40% of nursing home residents die within a 6-month period of sustaining a broken hip. Most often, the actual fall is not something that's fatal, but there are complications which occur either during the time when the resident is having surgery or the period that follows that results in the death of the resident. Many nursing home residents have significant medical conditions which place them at high risk for having surgery done. This means that there are some residents who die either during surgery or in the immediate post-operative period. More often, though, you see residents die as a result of complications that occur during the immediate post-operative period. In other words, the first few weeks following the injury and the surgery that follows. Often these are due to the development of pneumonia or other types of complications relating to the heart and lungs. Frequently, anticoagulant medications have to be discontinued during and immediately following the surgery, and this places residents at risk for developing strokes or pulmonary embolisms, which can often be fatal occurrences. Now, assuming that the resident makes it out of that immediate post-operative period, many times residents don't regain the ability to ambulate and are often bedbound or chair fast following a hip fracture. When this happens, they are at increased risk for developing pneumonia, which, as many people know, is something that often turns into be a fatal condition for nursing home residents. When a nursing home resident is bedbound, they often end up having aspiration pneumonia, which essentially is the inhalation of either food, liquid, or saliva into the lungs, which creates an infection, which unfortunately is often fatal. So many times when a hip fracture occurs and there is a death that follows sometime reasonably soon thereafter, there is a chain of events that can be traced fairly well with close review of the medical records, which ties the death of the resident to the hip fracture. Hope you found this interesting. My name is Barry Doyle. If you have any questions regarding this or any other matter regarding a nursing home abuse and neglect case, please feel free to reach out to us. Our number is 312-263-1080, or we can be reached on the internet at www.accidentlawillinois.com. Thank you for watching.